And we got some storms on the way. There's a big, huge cell just west of York right now. Getting some rotation, a lot of rotation out of it, and they're issuing tornado warnings out there right now. And according to what the radar says, I should have filmed that before I came out here, but it's heading straight east, straight toward Lancaster County. It might clip southwestern. So I'm listening to the weather radio here and the broadcast radio as well. We're playing some basketball, and it rained good yesterday. We got a good downpour, didn't we, buddy? Okay, come on. You gonna play? And the rain begins. I gotta keep remembering this camera is not waterproof. Found that out the hard way with another one, what, about a year ago? But after it dried out, it worked just fine. Here's some low-hanging ones over here. One's gusting pretty good. I don't know if you can see that. Should be able to. Oh, that's cold too. That actually looks a little bit like grayish green color. It's never a really good sign. You know what? I forgot my umbrella. Blowing the rain. Wind is blowing the rain. That gotta be just a 34 mile an hour there. Free car wash. It's just loud, isn't it, Jeffrey? A lot of wind, a little bit of rain, and a lot of thunder. Whoosh! Yeah. Look at that go over there. Whoosh! You're blowing it right down the street. Almost looks tornadic. Almost. There's some wind. Y'all those leaves, Jeffrey? The wind's blowing those down, man. Yeah, it's blowing down some leaves and some branches. Really moving that tree across the street around a bit. Big flashlight, man. Sorry I missed it. There we go, a little bit more rain. Whoosh! Yeah, woo! That's a good breeze. Whoosh! Here, buddy. That's more. Debris up there. Look at all those leaves. Oh, there goes a branch. And there goes another branch. And another one. And there's another one. Woo! There's a branch on the ground right there. Oh, wow. Another branch there. What are you doing, huh?
My lights have been out and my...
Yeah. Yeah, and they came back on too.
And then I just had the dinner.
It looked like half a tree fell down.
Oh, I see it.
You got a huge branch there? Yeah. You got a few here. And, no, that's actually a weed there. There's a huge branch there in that alley there.
Yeah.
I think it fell off that.
And that one right there.
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
And there's one across the street here in front of that white car. Oh, that tree split.
Hold on, I can't see. That's what happened.
It's laying in the street.
I can't even see though.
Right behind the cop car there. It's a little bit of aftermath. From here, tree over there. There's a tree actually in the street over there. Bunch of branches over here. Some over there. A little bit of flooding here. What a heck of a time to have holes in the middle of your bottom of your shoes. Not too much over here, just a little.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Omaha weather is clear.
Yeah, it just split. It didn't fall down, it split. I wonder how my ham radio antenna fares, see if it's still up in one piece. We better run back and take a quick look. There's some more over there and another one over there. Some more flooding. A little river. Walk down here. Basketball hoops are down on, well, at least one is. It like broke in half. The tree. Changed, everything fell down. And well, my hammer radio antenna is still vertical. It's just leaning to a different direction. And there's another one there. Let's see the aftermath. I got bubbles in the sky. That's where hail is made.